Hi, this is Halal. In this video, we will try to solve the mathematics questions that were asked in the Panchayat Accountant Assistant examination. The first question is, which one of the given options is an answer for the length of a line segment given that the coordinates of A is 2 and 2 and B is 9 and 11. Now we have to find the length of the line segment. Now here we say this first is the coordinate on x-axis and second is the coordinate on y-axis. So we write them. This is x1 and this is y1. Similarly, this would be x2 and y2. Now the formula for finding the length of the line segment is this is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So here our x2 minus x1 is 9 minus 2, that is 7 square. So this is 7 square plus y2 minus y1, that's 11 minus 2, that is 9 square. That's 9 square. Now 7 square is 49. This is 49 plus, and this is 81 under root. So this comes out to be 130. So this is 130. Now under root of 130, under root of 130 is given by, that is, we form the pairs from the one units place. Here we take this 1. Now 1 ones are 1. Now we subtract, here it is 0. Here this 30 comes out, comes down. Here 1 becomes 2. Now what will we multiply to 1? That is, we add here 1 and 1, this becomes 21. So probably 11 is here. We don't need to go for the decimals. The correct answer would be 11.4. So I hope you know this very method. Sorry. Coming to the next question that was asked. Let us assume that a student is chosen from a random sample of 80 students, out of which 30 have opted for the maths, 20 opted for the physics, and 10 have opted for both maths and physics. Find the probability that the student has opted either maths or physics. So we have a sample of 80. From there, 30 have opted for maths, 20 for physics, 10 have opted for both. In the Venn diagram, it would look like this. If this is math, it is physics. Now 30 had opted for math, so this is 30. 20 for physics. Actually, we don't need this very figure. And 10 have opted for both. We are told to find the probability that a student has opted for either maths or physics. Now we don't need to, we check the options. Here is 1 by 2, this is 1.5, this is 2.5, and this is 3.5. Actually, this is very common sense question, as we know that the probability lies between 0, that probability of any event lies between 0 and 1. Here we can see B, C, and D are greater than 1. So these can't be the probability values. So we will go for the A. We don't need to actually count them, because these are not possible values for the probability, because these are greater than 1 and probability can't be greater than 1. So the option A is correct. Coming to the next question, which of the following is true about the sampling error? A, it decreases as sample size increases. B, it does not depend on population size and understudy. C, it can't be reduced by an appropriate sampling planning. And D, it cannot be measured and controlled in the probability sample survey. The correct option, I guess, is here, and this is the first one. As we increase, as we as we as we increase the sample size, the sampling size decreases. That means if we increase the sample size, sorry, if we increase the sample size, sampling error gets decreased. Okay, now coming to the next question. Which of the following is a method used for collecting secondary data? The options are the experiments, personal interview, questionnaires, and D is government publication. Here, the first three are used for the primary data collection, and D is government publication. This is the secondary data. So the correct option is D part. Now another question that was asked is, let us assume set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, B set B is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Find the symmetric difference of set A and B. Now here we have set A and set B. First of all, we will form the I will form this. We have set A, set B. Now in set A we have 1, 2, 3, 4. In set B we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in first we have to find the A minus B, A minus B. A minus B are those elements which are only in this part. So here we see 1, 2. 1, 2 are not in this set B, so here this will be 1, 2. Similarly, B minus A, the difference between B and A is, here we see the common element, non-common elements. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 are common. Then B minus A is 5, 6, 7. So B minus A is 5, 6, 7. And the common elements are here 3 and 4. So they come in this intersection region. Now the formula for calculating the difference, a symmetric difference of set A and B is given by, that is equal to, actually that is equal to, it's not getting, A minus B intersection B minus A. So this area represents B minus A, this represents A minus B. Now A minus B is 1, 2, and B minus A is 5, 6, 7. So the union of these is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So these very non-common elements are our symmetric difference. So our option will be 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. That is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. That is option D is correct here. Because here A minus B is 1, 2, and intersection is 5, 6, 7. So we have 5, 6, and 7. So this becomes the symmetric difference. Now coming to the next question. In a town, the number of men are 151, 781, 326, and the number of women are 156, 964, 212. Which of the following option below represents the demographic sex ratio? So I don't know how to, though I know that sex ratio is given by, sex ratio is simple. Sex ratio is given by the number of male divided by female times 1000. I honestly don't know how to do these very calculations, so I will not calculate this because it gets very messy. Coming to the next question that was asked. One of the options given below represents a state with the highest negative decadal population growth based on the census data of 2011. Which of the following is correct? So Kerala, Goa, Nagaland, and Tamil Nadu. So this is a factual question. The correct answer to this is Nagaland. Coming to the next question. What happens to the shape of frequency polygon when the number of observations and classes increase? The first option is tends to become jagged, remains the same, tends to become increasingly smooth, and varies if the data becomes more reliable. So the correct option in this case is C, tends to become increasingly smooth. That is when, if we have a frequency polygon, when the number of observations and classes increase, it tends to become increasingly smooth. The correct option here is C. Sorry, it gets so it is C. So this one we have saw, this also, this also, this also. Now coming to the next question, that is, a car manufacturing company is having a demand of 100 cars in the month of September, 20 cars, 200 cars in the month of October, 300 cars in the month of November, 400 in the month of December. Which of the following given options represent a 3-month moving average for the month of January? We have to find the moving average for the month of January, but 3 months moving average. So for that moving average for January, that is we have to see the last 3 months average, that is equal to the December, November and October, because it tells us 3 months moving average, that is December, November and October. So we have 3 as the denominator. Now in December we have 400 cars, so we will write here 400 plus 300 in November and 200 in September, 200 in October, divided by 3, that comes up to 4, 3, that is 700, plus 2 is 900, that is 900 divided by 3, that is 900 divided by 3, which comes out to be 300. So the correct option is A, that is 300. So thank you very much. I hope I make myself clear. If there are some mistakes, I really apologize. Thank you.